This is the Instant Pot Pro Plus Smart Multi-Cooker, and Instant Brand says it's the smartest pressure cooker they've ever made. It promises app control, guided cooking, and enough versatility to replace several kitchen appliances. Sounds great. But after digging into expert reviews and real-world experiences, there's one thing that becomes very clear. It's incredibly capable, but it's not necessarily for everyone. So, is this smart cooker actually worth your hard-earned cash? Let's find out. Instant Pot Pro Plus Smart Multi-Product Overview. So what exactly are we looking at? The Instant Pot Pro Plus is the flagship smart multi-cooker from Instant Brands. Released as the company's premium connected model, it's designed for busy families, home cooks, meal preppers, and anyone who wants restaurant-quality meals without spending hours in the kitchen. Like previous Instant Pots, it combines multiple appliances into one. You're getting a pressure cooker, slow cooker, rice cooker, yogurt maker, sauté pan, steamer, sous vide machine, sterilizer, and food warmer, all packed into a single countertop appliance. Instant Pot Pro Smart Multi-Performance. Okay, specs are one thing, but how does it actually perform? Here's the thing, performance has always been Instant Pot's strongest selling point, and the Pro Plus continues that tradition. It builds pressure quickly, maintains consistent temperatures, and produces reliable results across a wide variety of recipes. Whether you're making creamy risotto, perfectly cooked rice, tender pulled pork, or hearty beef stew, the cooking quality is consistently impressive. One feature that really stands out is the improved pressure release system. Instead of manually flipping a valve, you can trigger steam release directly from the app or the control panel once cooking is complete. That may sound like a small upgrade, but if you've ever nervously hovered over a traditional pressure cooker while hot steam blasted into your kitchen, you'll immediately appreciate the difference. The sauté mode also feels noticeably more powerful than older Instant Pot models, making it easier to brown meat before pressure cooking. Now, is it as fast as the marketing sometimes suggests? Not exactly. You still need time for pressure buildup and natural pressure release. But compared to conventional cooking methods, it can still save a significant amount of time. Features and tech. Let's talk about the features that really separate the Pro Plus from older models. First is the Wi-Fi connectivity. Using the Instant Brands app, you can start cooking, monitor progress, receive notifications, and even release pressure remotely. That's genuinely useful if you're busy working from home or simply don't want to keep checking the kitchen. Next are the guided cooking programs. Instead of manually choosing every setting, the app walks you through recipes, step by step. Even beginners can confidently prepare meals without constantly searching Google for pressure cooking times. Another standout feature is the upgraded premium inner pot with silicone handles. It can move directly from the cooker to the stovetop, giving you much more flexibility when searing ingredients or reducing sauces. Finally, there's the large LCD display with an intuitive control dial. Design and build. Aesthetically, Instant Brands did a really nice job here. The brushed stainless steel exterior gives it a premium, modern appearance that fits nicely into most kitchens. The large display feels far more polished than previous generations, and the control knob makes navigation surprisingly simple. The inner cooking pot is thicker and sturdier than older versions, which helps distribute heat more evenly and feels built to last. The only downside? It's still a fairly large appliance. If your kitchen has limited counter space, you'll definitely notice its footprint. And because it's a premium model, it also costs noticeably more than entry-level Instant Pots. Pros. Excellent cooking performance across multiple cooking styles. Remote control and monitoring through the smartphone app. Easy-to-use interface that's beginner-friendly. Cons. Wi-Fi features won't matter to every buyer. Still takes time to build and release pressure.